Welcome back to the Beginner's Bar. Scott here. Alright, continue with some fall themes. Let's make an Apple Alexander. This actually comes from Laird's Company, not a sponsor, and it is a cream-based cocktail. You will need apple brandy, apple jack, creme de cacao. If you can get the good stuff from Tempest Fusion, by all means. This is the Kuiper, it's just fine. What makes this a cream-based cocktail? Heavy cream. And then for your tools, just going to need your jigger. We talked about this in a previous episode. 1 ounce, 2 ounce. Your shaker, double tin. And it will be served in this Nick and Nora. So let's get started. 1 ounce heavy cream. One ounce creme de cacao. Now, Laird's would say use white creme de cacao. I'm using dark. Doesn't really matter. Ounce and a half. Ounce creme de cacao. And now 1.5 ounces of apple brandy or apple jack. Again, small stuff. Round one. Grab your large tin and your ice. 3 cubes. Someone say if you have big fancy ice, use 1 big. I don't have big fancy ice. Vary the cocktail. Pop. You know the drill. And I forgot something. Hawthorne strainer. Get it closed. And there you have an Apple Alexander. Cheers. Very rich, very creamy. The chocolate, the creme de cacao meshes well with the apple brandy. If you like the video, hit like, subscribe, leave a comment. What cocktail would you like me to try next? On that note, thank you for watching. I will see you next time on the Beginner's Bar.